Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable 5G and 5G Plus networks on your iPhone 17 Air. So if you want to use the fastest mobile internet on your iPhone 17 Air, enabling 5G and 5G Plus networks is literally the way to go. So now we need to enter the settings, and right here in the settings, we want to go over to the mobile service. Now here in the mobile service, we want to go over to mobile data options and select the voice and data. So it's right here. Now you guys can choose 5G auto, 5G on, or LTE. The LTE is the slowest one, but if you care about the battery life, then LTE is definitely the way to go. Now, the 5G auto uses 5G when only needed for performance, so this is actually one of the best options. And 5G only uses 5G whenever it is basically available. So it of course may reduce the battery life and the performance overall of the phone, but me personally, I will choose the 5G auto. It's totally up to you guys, and I would still actually use the 5G auto, even though it is not one of the best options, because the best one is right here, but it is damaging your battery and the overall performance of the device. So I'll stick to that, and let me know in the comments which option would you choose. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.